welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. So what we're going to do is talk about whether or not crypto is finished. Meaning we are in a bear market, we are tumbling down into the abyss, and there is nobody left. Because that's what it feels like. Everybody's acting like crypto has been finished, but I'm here to tell you that it is not. And we're going to go over practical reasons why I believe now's the time to focus on other things. Specifically, focus on DCA, dollar cost averaging, getting yourself into the market. Because now's when you want to get in. You don't want to get in at the highs and sell at the lows. Get in at the lows, sell at the highs, okay? Now, it's very difficult to understand that, especially as a beginner, and if you just see chaos around you, it's very, very, very difficult to stay focused. So, let's take a look at the market. Let's give it a quick refresh here. So we're at an $809 billion market cap. Bitcoin is at 16,837, so that's almost 17,000. Ethereum is hovering around $1,200. And yeah, the market has been low for quite some time. Even on the week, we're doing all right on the week for some projects, but for the most part, a lot of the top projects are still down. So our trajectory is going much lower. Now, what can you do though? Because on this channel, I want to talk about not only what are the best projects, we're going to talk about cryptos, NFTs, but specifically, how can you navigate the space, especially right now? So one thing, again, is to research and build right now. If you are somebody that can code, you should be building before the next bull run happens. And then specifically, you need to plan. So I have a 2023 calendar. Starting tomorrow, I can use this one for 2023. It's Christmas today, actually. And I kind of just wanted to make videos. I abandoned my family so I can be doing crypto full time, right? I told them, you know what? I'm married to my ledger now. So I don't need to see family. I'm just kidding. I had family dinner yesterday. It was pretty fun. But yeah, to be honest, like now's the time to really research. Check out our other videos, right? So let me even go to the Crypto Moose channel. So here on the channel, I've got tons of videos. And these are videos that I've taken my time to produce. And again, this is Christmas Day. If you don't believe me, December 25th. December 25th, 7 p.m. All right, so we have videos every day at 2 p.m. So I am filming a little bit in advance, but that's because I want to get a video out every day for you all, right? So my phone's going off. Everybody's asking me. Michael Saylor keeps asking me to interview him. I'm like, Mike, I don't have time. I know you need me on your channel. He wants all my advice. He's like, you know, I have all this Bitcoin. I don't know what else to get. I'm like, watch my channel. He thinks he's a big shot just because he owns, you know, he's a billionaire. Big deal. Big deal, Saylor. I'm actually a big fan of his. So check it out. Now's the time to watch these videos. I'm telling you, watch these videos. This is free content. We also have online courses. You can check those out on Udemy. Type in Red Cape Learning. That's my brand for online courses. And we're going to have in the links in the description below where you can get coupon codes. All right. So definitely check that out. Now's the time to research. If you research now and put in the work, it's going to work. I'm here Christmas Day. I'm building online courses that will benefit me for in the future, right? So research. That's what it's all about. We're going to have videos coming up here in a little bit as well, where we're going to talk about my top 5 projects. I want you to research those as well. Make your own informed decision as well. Learn about security. If you have more than $500, give or take, in cryptos, you should have a hardware wallet. All right. Security is very important. Okay. When you're driving, you need security. So again, let's go back to the market. I'll even go over a couple of picks for you because you're here watching. So we've got Matic, a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. Beautiful project. Cardano, I love. I'll even star this for the future as well. What else we got here? So we got Bitcoin, of course, you should be investing into. Not telling you to buy it, but that's what I'm doing. USDC is an option. Cardano. Matic. What else do I like here? AVAX I kind of like, but I wouldn't put it as an absolute. Cosmos I'm starting to like a lot more. Interoperability. Chronos I like. I like their app. I want to do a video probably even today. I'm going to be picking up some cryptocurrencies, and I'm also building a 3-in-1 masterclass. I have been working really hard on this. Like, I have a book on the shelf there going over this. So actually, I'll even give you somewhat of a sneak peek if I can. Let me even pull this up here. So what I do is I've been teaching video production and crypto for a while. And right now I'm working on a course that would teach you NFTs and cryptos for beginners. So be on the lookout. I will add that to the description in future videos for sure. So if we take a look here, here's my workbook. So I built this completely from scratch. I have 500,000 students already on Udemy. So we take you through what is blockchain. We teach you about wallets. And you're going to have, for this specific course, you're going to be given a workbook. So you'll have the top sectors to look at. You will have the top crypto blockchains. I explain how the ecosystem's working, and you're going to be able to build your own portfolio. So I have worksheets that you can use. So why am I investing? You'll be able to really build your own portfolio based on any budget that you have. So comment down below if that's something that you're interested in. So I just wanted to go over that briefly. We're going to be covering tons of layer 1 projects and layer 2s, and ultimately showing you how to secure your coin. So definitely check that out. This is basically a whole recap of the book. I also build a Bitcoin note at the end, and then I give you some picks. So I just gave you a lot right there, but that's okay. And we have other courses. So again, this is to benefit you. If you actually want to learn about cryptos, now's the time to research. Now's the time to dollar cost average if that's what you want to do. Take some money, save some money if you can, even if it's $50, right? Save $50. Make it a goal. Save $50. Not a big deal. Like, I remember I started out, I believe it was, I forget what year it was. It was about 5 years ago, 5, 6, 7 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago, for sure. My little brother and I were getting into crypto, and I just started buying some coins. I had like 10, 20 bucks at a time. I would work on the farm, and I actually bought some Dogecoin. I bought $20 worth, and I lost my access to my keys. So I lost my 12-word recovery seed phrase, and I had a Jax wallet. Then the app, because I changed my phone, it wasn't there anymore. And I didn't really know what a security was. So I wish I had a course like this. Make a long story short, I bought 10,000 Doge for $20, and it turned into 3,000. That's when I recovered my wallet and got out. So that's probably my biggest. That's definitely my biggest. That's like a 56,000x or whatever it was. But that can happen. So the point is, you need to get the lottery ticket in order to win the lottery. And I'm not telling you to go for that. Of course, in the courses, I do explain, be a little more conservative than that. But definitely check out the channel. And that's all I wanted to cover. I just want to give you hopes that the market is not going away. Bitcoin is not going away. Cardano is not going away. Ethereum is not going away anytime soon. This is when things are being built. It's boring now. That's the time to get in. That's the time to be strong. I'm not going to tell you you're going to make 100x. I'm not going to tell you we're going to see a bull run tomorrow. We're not. We're definitely not. But we will see success in the 2 to 3 year term, I assume. Okay? So get ready. Remember, it's not your keys. It's not your cheese. Love you all.